Sa puntong ito, makakapanayam naman natin sa telepono si Honorary President for the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Francis Chua. Magandang hapon po, Ginoong Francis Chua.
Good afternoon po.
Opo, matanong ko lang po, ano po ang significance ng pagpapalo ng inaasam na 6,000 mark ng PSE Index kahapon?
Alam po ninyo, this has been expected since December last year, no? Ang presidente po natin ay may kumpiyansa sa stock po natin, and because of his matuwid and his governance, he gained a lot of respect not only locally but internationally, no? So makikita po natin patuloy na rin pataas po ang stock index po natin itong taon.
Sir, ano naman po ang naging kahalagahan ng pagbaba ng rate sa pagtatamo ng 6,000 mark ng PSEI?
Okay. There's a difference between the increase in the stock exchange index and pababa ng inflation rate, no? Ang pababa ng inflation rate, we have to attribute this to our economic manager, no? The way they control the supply of the cash in the market is one way of controlling the inflation. By controlling the inflation, ang ibig sabihin, for ordinary Filipino, we could buy more things out of the same peso, no? Whereas the increase naman po ng stock exchange index, ang ibig po naman sabihin is there's more possibility that there will be more money in the market, no? Kaya we have to attribute to our economic manager that is big in spite of the fact na napakaganda ho yung stock market natin, they are able to do the job of controlling the inflation. Mahirap po ng trabaho yan, so we really have to give a lot of recognition to our able economic managers.
Opo. Sir, syempre dahil naging maganda nga yung simula ng trading sa PSE Index ngayong taon, ano naman po ang inaasahang magiging takbo ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas for the rest of the year?
Alam po ninyo, we have already got a very solid foundation or economy. As you have just mentioned po kanina, ang foreign reserve natin ay napakataas. In fact, even if we pay all our debt, international debt, we still have so much money in our international reserve, no? So, first, that means to say, very, very strong ang economy natin. Second, because of the influx of investors, the tourists, and all of these things, that means to say, next year, definitely, this year, our economy will continue surging.
Opo. Sir, syempre nakikita nga natin na tuloy-tuloy yung pagtaas and ito ngayon na-mark na 10th highest po. Hanggang kailan naman po natin aasahang tumaas pa ito? Meron ba siyang parang, syempre, limit or like, ina-expect natin?
Opo. Ito may correction po, no? Anything that must come down, no?
Yes, exactly.
So I always advise people to be moderate when you are investing in the stock market, no? I always tell people, if you invest in the stock market, invest those money that you could afford to lose if ever the market goes down, no?
Yes.
Unlike institutions, wala akong problema because they're in the market in and out every day. They're professional who study it very, very carefully. But for friends, for individual, I always tell them, be cautious, don't be greedy. Once you make the money, don't stay there forever. Kasi if you stay there forever, sooner or later, there will be a correction. The correction is but natural. Any market, anywhere in the world, there is bound to be correction. Kung kailan, we don't know. But as far as we are concerned, never in the history, and no people would believe that we could keep on running for the whole year last year, and even this year we continue searching. It's a miracle, to tell you frankly.
Yes. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Hapon pong muli, Ginoong Chua.
Opo, thank you po, and more power to you po, sir.